Good morning, student. Welcome back to your online biology class in subject science. Student, in previous class, I have already completed the chapter number 9, reproduction in animals. Okay. As you know, student, I have already sent the syllabus of the science. Chapter number 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 11 and 12. 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 11 and 12. In biology section, only 3 chapters are coming. Class 8. Syllabus of bio section. Chapter 2 chapters. Please wait, student. I am taking the book for the searching of the chapter. Two, three, two, 7, 8, 9. 2, 7, 8 and 9. 2, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Chapter 2, 7, 8 and 9. So revise this chapter, and you know, student, I am explaining the last chapter of the half yearly examination, that is chapter 9. You know, chapter 9, the reproduction in animals. The reproduction in animals. So today I will discuss the exercise of the chapter number 9, because I am already complete your all topics of this chapter. Subject science. In science, I am taking your biology topic. First of concept check. Page number open your page number 145. 145. Write down answer. Name 2 organisms which reproduce by asexual method. 2 organisms reproduce by asexual method. You know, student, asexual method. Amoeba, write down. Amoeba and yeast. Right on. Amoeba, amoeba and malarial parasite. Second question. Name 2 methods of asexual multiple fission and budding. Fission, budding. Name the method of by which amoeba reproduce. Amoeba reproduce by binary fission. By binary fission. By what name are the animal which lay eggs called? By what name are the animals which laying eggs? Oviparous. Oviparous. And giving the birth of the young ones, this is called viviparous. Fifth, what is the transformation of the larva into an adult silkworm called? What is the transformation of the larva into an adult? This is called metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. Okay, students, complete this. Okay. Now, ready with your classwork copy and pen, and write down question in your free time. Write down only answer in your classwork copy, or this is called the homework copy, but mention it in the form of CW or SW. So write down the date and give the oblique and write down the classwork. So direct write down the answer of this section. Exercise of chapter 9, reproduction in animals. So very short. A is very short. Today I already given in your back side of the book. See the chapter number 9. You can also write down the answer with the help of the answer key. Okay, but I am giving the explanation also. So listen the clues of the following question. Question is, first is, name one animal which reproduces by asexual reproduction. I already explained the concept. Check. Write down anyone. And yeast. Y-E-A-S-T. Yeast. Second. Answer. What is the reproductive cells of human male called? Reproductive cell, not organ. So write down sperm. In female, this is called ova. Answer third. What is the process of fusion of gamete of the male and female taking place inside the body of the female is called? Two types of the fertilization, external and internal. When fertilization inside the female organism, this is called the internal fertilization. Fourth, Where in the body of the human male the sperm are produced? Sperm generally made or produced by testes. TES, PIS. It is singular form. TES, TES. This is the plural form. Fifth, what type of animal is the butterfly? Butterfly is not a viviparous. It is oviparous. Oviparous animals. Complete this in your book. Don't write in book. You can write down in the book also with the help of pencil. But use pencil. B. Short answer question. Right? Up to 15 words. 10 to 15 words. Question first. Where are the unisexual organisms? What are the unisexual organisms? Answer. First. What are the unisexual organisms? Okay. Page number 138. Page number 138. In the first paragraph, when the male produce sperm and female produce ovum, it's called the unisexual. Okay. When male produces sperm and female produces the egg or ovum, is called unisexual organism. You can mention with the help of pencil in your book. So, search the answer in the paragraph first. Okay, student? Answer second. What is the external fertilization? Name one organism that is with external fertilization. You know external fertilization? Outside female organism. You know? Frog, fishes. So, page number 138 and external fertilization heading. When the fusion of search the answer. When the fusion of the sperm and the ovum takes place outside of the outside of the female partner PRTENER is called external fertilization. Example: frog, fish. Okay. Write down, or you can mark and write down in your free time. Okay. Question number 3. Name the reproductive organs of the human female. Write down here, student. Third, the reproductive organs of humans. Female. HUMAN, female, are, write down, ovaries, 2 in number, oviduct, it is also called fallopian tube. Okay. Uterus, uterus, 1 uterus, 2 oviduct, 1 uterus, and vagina. 1. Name the reproductive organ of human. Okay. Describe viviparous and oviparous. Student, I am not going to explain this. The viviparous and oviparous. You will write down viviparous, the animal that giving the young ones. It is called viviparous, like human beings, cat, dog, elephant, and the egg-laying animals are called oviparous. The birds, the fish, the frog, the insects. Okay, student. Question number 4. Fifth. Describe fertilization in human. Describe the fertilization in human. So you know fertilization in human. Page number 140. Open. Answer 4. Do yourself. Answer 5th. Page number 140. Heading. In human fertilization occur in the body of the female partner. The process of reproduction starts with the mating, during which the male releases the male sex cells sperm into the body of the female. Okay? When sperm comes in contact with the ovum, or the sperm may fuse with egg. Such a fusion in the sperm with the egg is called fertilization. During fertilization, the nucleus of the sperm and egg fuse to form single nucleus. This is called zygote. Okay? Or so know you know, page number 142. 142. So know you know. So know. So know you know. 1, 2, 3, 4th. 5th point. 5th point. Completely. Okay? Means when the sperm and the egg fuse together, a new cell called zygote is formed. This process of fusion of sperm and zygote is called the fertilization. Okay? Or you can write down on the page number 140, fertilization in humans. In humans to fertilization. 142 and or 140, page number. In humans fertilization. In humans fertilization to called fertilization. Okay, I think you will. This is most appropriate answer of the question number 5, page number 140. And student, I will explain the rest of question, or I will give the rest of question through the WhatsApp by sending the paragraph through the video or through the WhatsApp. Okay, so you are able to write down the particular question answer of this chapter. Okay, I will try, otherwise I will explain in the your tomorrow online classes. Otherwise, if I have time, then I will send this all the question answer through the WhatsApp. So write down homework. Write down today's exercise of chapter number 9 in your notebook and learn it. By you. Okay, I hope student you are all revise the all question answer at your home, because this is very important chapter that is coming your in half yearly examination. So it is your responsibility to read, learn, write all the exercise in your fair copy. Thank you student. Have a nice day. Now I am going to leave your class. Have a nice day.